Hi students, now chapter 3 simple equations. About some introduction, see here textbook. So LHS, RHS, LHS means left hand side, RHS means right hand side. Here plus quantity becomes minus quantity becomes plus quantity, into quantity becomes divided by quantity becomes into. So like means plus change to minus, minus change to plus, into change to divided by change to into. Like this. Exercise 1. Exercise 1. Write LHS and RHS of the following simple equations. First question, 2x equal to 10. In this question, what is LHS? What is RHS? 2x equal to LHS, 10 equal to RHS. Means LHS equal to 2x, RHS equal to 10. Like second question, 2x minus 3 equal to 9. In that, LHS equal to 2x minus 3, RHS equal to LHS 2x minus 3, RHS equal to 9. Like third question, 4z plus 1 equal to 8. LHS equal to 4z plus 1. RHS equal to 8. Next question, 5p plus 3 equal to 2p plus 9. LHS equal to 5p plus 3. Next, RHS equal to 2p plus 9. Next, fifth question, 14 equal to 27 minus y. LHS equal to 14. RHS equal to 27 minus y. Like next question, this is question 2a minus 3 equal to 5. LHS equal to 2a minus 3. RHS equal to 5. This seventh question, LHS equal to 7m. RHS equal to 14. Eighth question, LHS equal to 8. RHS equal to q plus 5. This is answers. Next, second Roman, solve the following equations by trial and error method. This equation solving which method? Trial and error method. See these answers. First question, 2 plus y equal to 7. Trial and error method means guessing value. Already normal method we know that y value, y equal to plus 2 send that side, 7 minus 2, y equal to 5. But here asking trial and error method means guessing method. Put y equal to 1. In place of y, 1 keep. 2 plus 1 equal to 7. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 equal to 7. This is false. Means not equal. 3 not equal to 7. Next, like put y equal to 2. In place of y, 2 keep. 2 plus 2 equal to 7. 4 equal to 7. So it is false. Means does not equal to 4 not equal to 7. Next, put y equal to 3 keep. 2 plus 3 equal to 7. 5 is not equal to 7. This also false. So which value is true? That is correct solution of y value. Means like y equal to 4. That implies 2 plus 4 equal to 7. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 is equal to 7. This is false. Next, y equal to 5. Implies 2 plus 5 equal to 7. 7 equal to 7. This is correct solution of y value. Means this is true. So which value is true? That is therefore y equal to 5 is the solution. This is a trial and error method. Next, second question, a minus 2 equal to 6. In place of a, substitute some values. Which value suitable for a? That is correct solution. Means a equal to 1 keep. 1 minus 2 equal to 6. 1 minus 2 equal to 6. 1 minus 2 value minus 1 equal to 6. This is not equal to. Means false. Next, a equal to 2. 2 minus 2 equal to 6. 2 minus 2, 0. Like here 2 minus 2 equal to 6. 0 equal to 6. This is false. Next, 3 substitute. 3 minus 2 equal to 6. 3 minus 2 value 1. 1 is not equal to 6. Like next 4 also not suitable for. Here 4 minus 2. We get a 2. 2 is not equal to 6. Like 5 keep. 5 minus 2. Value 3. 3 is not equal to 6. 5, 6. Next 6 see here. 6 minus 2 equal to 6. 4 is not equal to 6. That is false. Next a equal to 7 keep. 7 minus 2 equal to 6. 7 minus 2 5. 5 also not suitable for that. So 5 equal to 6, that is false, or 5 is not equal to 6. Next 8. A equal to 8 keep. 8 minus 2 equal to 6. 6 equal to 6. Now LHS equal to RHS. This is true. A equal to 8 is the correct solution. Next third question. 5m equal to 15. So m equal to 1. By substitute m place 1. 5 ones 5. 5 equal to 15. That is false. 5 equal to 15 is false. Next to 2. M equal to 2. That implies 5m equal to 15. No? So in place of m 2. 5 2s 10. 10 is not equal to 15. This also false. Next to 3. 5m equal to 15. 5 into 3. 5 3s. 15 equal to 15. This is true. So which value is true? LHS equal to RHS. Here LHS equal to RHS. Now m equal to 3 is the correct solution. Next fourth question. 2n equal to 14. Put n equal to 2 keep. 2 in place of n 2. 2 2s 4. 4 equal to 14. That is wrong. Means 4 is not equal to 14. Next n equal to 3 also not suitable. 4 not suitable. 5 take. N equal to 5. 2 5s 10. 10 equal to 14. This is wrong. Means false. Otherwise not equal to. 10 is not equal to 14. Next 6. 2 6. 12. 12 is not equal to 14. Next 7. N equal to 7 keep. 2 into n. 2n equal to 14. N place 7. 2 7s. 14 equal to 14. Now we get LHS equal to RHS. What value is true? Suitable for this? True. N equal to 7. N equal to 7 is the correct solution. Next, second exercise. See the textbook page number 63. First one, solve the following equations without transposing and check your result. Check means verify your result. Without transposing means for example, we know that how to solve equations. X plus 5 equal to 9, x equal to 9 minus 5. That is transposing method. But here asking without transposing method. Without transposing method. See these answers. So first question. X plus 5 equal to 9. So without transposing means as it is keep we want x value. Here x plus 5 equal to 9. Here plus 5 how get cancel? Here keep for example minus 5 get cancel no? So x plus 5. Here minus 5 keep 9. This side also minus 5. Minus 5 both sides want to keep minus 5. Now here plus 5 minus 5 get cancel. X equal to 9 minus 5. X equal to 9 minus 5 value 4. So this is x value and verify they asking. Check. Verify. Verify means LHS equal to RHS. LHS. What LHS? X plus 5 equal to x value 4. 4 plus 5 equal to 9. RHS take. RHS here 9. 9 equal to 9. Here observe LHS equal to RHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. This is answer. Here without transposing method y minus 12 equal to minus 5. Here minus 12 how get cancel? Keep plus 12 means add 12 both sides, LHS and RHS. Add 12, y minus 12 plus 12 equal to minus 5 plus 12. Both sides add 12. That is, now get cancelled. Plus 12 minus 12. Y equal to minus 5 plus 12. 12 minus 5, we get 7. Y equal to 7. Y equal to 7 is y value. And verify. Verify, nothing but check. So y minus 12 equal to minus 5. LHS, RHS. Y plus 7 keep. 7 minus 12 equal to minus 5. 7 minus 12 minus 5 equal to minus 5. Here observe. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. This is transposing method.